Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a non-toxic home cleaning supply haul. So a few years ago I decided to switch all my cleaning supplies for non-toxic cleaning supplies in my home. My friends over at Grove Collaborative actually gave me some credit so I can shop on their site and pick up a few things to share with you guys today. This video is not sponsored, but they did give me credit to buy some products. All the products I'm going to be showing you today are products that I've already used in my home, already love. The cool thing about Grove Collaborative is that it's a marketplace where they sell all non-toxic, not only cleaning supplies, but they also sell beauty, skincare, stuff like that, all non-toxic, natural, organic products. You can buy everything directly on their website. They have a subscription where they can resend you all the products you need, either every 3 months or every 2 months, whenever they feel like you would run out of your product. And then also everything is discounted, so you get everything at a lower price than you would get shopping at all these other places. I'm gonna have a link down below in my description. It is an affiliate link. If you want to shop through there, you're gonna get some credit to shop, and you're also gonna receive a few free items. I'm gonna start kind of like room by room, like how I clean. So I'm gonna start with the kitchen. I use the Method Home brand. This is the lemon mint scent of their dish soap. So this one is like a refill pack. So it comes in like this plastic bag with a little nozzle. So basically you can refill. If you've used Method before, you can just refill your same bottle, or if you have like a decorative kitchen soap pump like I do, you just refill with this. I find that it's much cheaper if you buy the refills than if you always keep buying a new bottle. And obviously also it's better for the earth because you're wasting less plastic. I love this lemon scent. I like anything citrusy for my kitchen. Citrus does help cut grease a lot, so I always aim for something citrus when it comes to my dish soap. This is something a little extra, but Grove actually sent me this. So it's a little brush scrubber for your dishes. It has like a spring inside. Basically you fill this with water and soap, and then you pump it to make suds, and you wash your dishes with it. So I just thought it was really cute. The aesthetics go with my kitchen. So if you want to buy this, they also have this on Grove. In my kitchen, I have granite counters. So to clean that, I use this. This is the Method Daily Granite Cleans and Polishes. It's in an apple orchard scent. It smells amazing. And basically it's just another surface safe, non-toxic, plant-based. It's supposed to shine granite, marble, and stone. So I use this in my kitchen and my bathroom because I have the same countertops in both, and I just use this to wipe down my counters. In addition to that, I have a couple of multi-surface type products to share with you. The first one is another one from Method. This is their naturally derived surface cleaner in French lavender. So this one, the reason I like it is because you can use it on counters, tile, stone, wood, and glass. So you don't have to buy a separate glass cleaner. I have glass coffee table, my TV console, my computer desk, it's all glass. So I actually use this for everything, including my mirrors. That's why it's almost empty. I have to get a new one. One says it cuts grease and grime, and I just use this for basically any other surface that's not my granite counters. Next, we're gonna move on to floors. So for floors, I use this. This is the MEYERS Clean Day Multi-Surface Concentrate. Now, I was just talking about the Method Multi-Purpose Cleaner. Basically, this you can also use in that same way, but this is a concentrate. So what you would do is you could get a spray bottle, fill it with water, and then fill it with this, and you can also use that as a multi-surface cleaner. But I like to use this on my floors. So, you know, just fill your bucket with water, put a little bit of this in it. I use the basil scent because I love herb smelling things in my house. It says it's made with plant-derived ingredients, natural essential oils, and birch bark extract. I also sometimes put a few drops of tea tree oil in my mop water, because tea tree oil is known to disinfect. So I also put a little bit of that in my mop water and clean my floors. Now we're gonna move on to laundry. So for laundry, I've been using the Dr. Bronner's SUDS biodegradable cleaner. So this is actually kind of similar to the MEYERS multi-surface concentrate because it is a multi-purpose. As you know, even just regular Dr. Bronner's cast-out soap, you can use it for a million different things. Same thing with this cleaner, you can use it for literally anything. But what I use it the most for is for laundry. So in addition to this, I put some baking soda and some of this, and also borax if you want like it's a laundry detergent boost. So if you want to add a little bit more cleaning power, some of this baking soda and borax into your laundry, and it's a non-toxic way to wash your clothes. For the dryer, I don't like to use dryer sheets because usually they have fragrance and that type of stuff is just not good for you. And also it's kind of a waste. So I actually got these wool dryer balls from Grove. Prior to this, I wasn't using any type of dryer or anything. So I was kind of just dealing with staticky clothes. So I'm so happy that Grove Collaborative sells these. So basically they're little balls. They're made out of wool, so they're reusable. And what you can do is you use essential oil, drop it onto here and put it in your dryer so that it acts not only as anti-static because of the wool, but you also get that nice scent that you would usually get with dryer sheets by using an essential oil. So these are amazing. You get 3 in a pack, so when it starts getting like weird, you can just switch it out for another one. Another thing that I use for my laundry is bleach for your whites, obviously. So this is the 7th generation chlorine-free bleach. So it has no chlorine, 0% fragrances and dyes, no harsh smell. So literally the ingredients are just water and hydrogen peroxide. So that's what it uses to bleach your clothes. These are the Artisan Oil Essential 8 set from Art Naturals. So it comes with rosemary, sweet orange, lemongrass, frankincense, tea tree, peppermint, eucalyptus, and lavender. I use every single one of them for different purposes. Like I said, I like my house to smell like herbs, so I usually use like the rosemary, lemongrass, and eucalyptus in my diffuser, which I'm going to show you in a second. And then the lavender, I like to put in a little spray bottle, spray it on my pillows. I use the orange one in the kitchen because like I said, I like citrus smells in my kitchen. You can also use the orange one on the dryer balls I just showed you to make your clothes smell good. So I just love this set because it comes so in handy. It has everything that you need. This is the Art Naturals Bluetooth diffuser. This is what I use to scent my home. So it's the cutest little wood and white, so it goes perfectly with my decor. And it's really easy to use. You just fill it with water to the line inside, put a few drops of whatever essential oil you want, plug it in, and it immediately starts to diffuse the scent into your home. I love it because now that I'm non-toxic, I don't like to use candles unless it's a very specific candle that's targeted as non-toxic, which is usually like soy candles, but they're usually really expensive, so I try not to burn my expensive non-toxic candles too much. So on a daily basis, I use this. The cool thing about this is it has a light that changes different colors, and then it's also Bluetooth, so you can play music through this. And speaking of scenting my house, besides the diffuser, I obviously love incense. I burn incense all the time, all around my house. And in conjunction with incense, I use this Simple Truth Odor Eliminator Room Spray. It says it has no harsh chemicals and no added fragrances. It says non-toxic here. So basically this is just a room spray. I use this just to refreshen the room. It says it's made with pine mountain oil, aniseed oil, clove oil, cedar wood oil, and lime oil. It has like a woodsy scent because of like the pine wood and the cedar wood, but I love it. I feel like those scents really combat like odor, so I love spraying this all over my house like once a day just to refresh the room. Moving on to the last room in the house, which is the bathroom. So for the bathroom, for like the bathtub, I like something that scrubs, so I just use baking soda and a brush to scrub my bathtub. But for the actual like tiles on the wall, I use this Method Daily Shower Naturally Derived Shower Cleaner. So the cool thing about this is that it's a daily shower cleaner. So every day after you get out the shower, you spray this on all over your shower walls, and you don't have to rinse it off. And it actually prevents grime from building up on your shower walls. The scent is eucalyptus mint, which I love. It smells amazing, especially while you're showering. Okay guys, so that was everything in my non-toxic cleaning supply haul. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna have links down below where you can shop on Grove, get some credit, get some free stuff to be able to purchase some of these items and try them for yourself. I also have a link for Art Naturals if you want to try their essential oils or the diffuser. And let me know what other kind of videos you guys want to see, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.